today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing, what is this called? Alright, touch lamp portable speaker, and the model number of this is CL671. And yeah, as I said in my previous video, this is like, actually I have not unboxing it. The both products came in like the same big box, so yeah, as I said and from the box it looks quite interesting to me, like without even opening it, and I can see it is so interesting, and I can see that there's a lot of uses with this product. And yeah, here's the side of the box, and here, like, oh my god, really? It actually works as a lamp, has a light, and also it plays music, and we can call someone, and it also can use, like, if you're going for camping, you can probably catch this. Wow, this is amazing. And at this side of the box, it says all the colors. Wow, this is awesome. And it also comes with touch function. Plus, it is long touch to the stop of the host. And it comes with red, blue, green, purple, cane, yellow, change rhythm. Wow, that's cool. That's actually awesome. And ooh, I'm excited to unbox this. Let's go. Here we go. Finally. Oh my god, I love the box packaging. Wow, this looks awesome. Plus, what else we have got inside? We got like a charging thing, I guess, and also the instructions. Cool. Let me just put this back. Wow, so here is this. I'm going to talk about this later. I'm excited to use this first. So let's go. Let's just take this out. This feels really good in hands. Wow. I think this video is going to be full of wows because this product is really awesome. It is totally matte finished and also glossy looking style. And I think this is a speaker. So let's on it. I'm really excited. At the side of the box, there's like aux and on and off button, and also the charging. And it also comes with, you can connect this to your phone like a Bluetooth, and you can also, like, stop, pause the video. Wow. Alright, so first I'm going to on this. Wow.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
This looks like Alexa. I'm feeling like it. Oh, got it. So if you like do this, it's going to it's like the low light, and if you touch it, it's going to come medium and high. Wow, I'm going to actually use this as my study table lamp. This is awesome. And I guess you have to do this to get the colors. Oh, like that. Love it. Wow, this looks amazing. Tell me which is your favorite color in this whole set. Okay, let me just do that thing. Can you do that? Oh wow, this is really awesome. I'm excited to connect this to my mom's phone. Actually, this is my mom's phone. Wow, this looks amazing. So let me just really connect it to my mom's phone and play my favorite music. And this is also used for calls. Wow, this looks amazing. So let's see what this device name is. It is BT speaker. Alright, it's pairing. Okay, so I'm excited. Wow. Alright, why is it taking so long to pair? Yeah, now it's taking. Okay.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Successfully. Alright, whatever. Okay, so it's connected, and now I'm going to play my favorite music. And let's just listen how good is this, quality of the sound speaker. This is my favorite music. The day we kiss my lips like it went just like this, no, it's never. Wait. It is like, it comes, oh my god, I can't tell. The sound quality is amazing. Plus also, when you play the music, it's like, the same way as music plays. It's like, lighting up. Look at this. I love this. Literally, I love this. Now let's see what is in here. Alright. So it says lamp function and also the charging and Bluetooth connection plus a lot. It also connects with computer connection. Great. This is amazing product. Really. Wow. And this is the charging cable. So let me just open this up really quick. Oh, this is not too long, but yeah, it's okay. You can probably connect this to your phone adapter and charge this. You have to only charge this for half an hour, and by the charging also you can probably use this, which is really amazing. And now let's just see if it also works while playing videos instead of playing music. So yeah, I know what to play now. So probably you all know what I'm going to do now. Do you all know that? Alright, so firstly I'm going to play my videos. So yeah, let's see. Oh, cool. This is also going to work as like, you can probably use this as a speaker. Plus, I thought, oh, it's in the back of it. Got it. So if you're like camping, you can probably use this like that. Wow. Okay, let me just set the white one. Alright, you're gonna do that. This is amazing. Like totally everything is on touch. We just write on this. Wow, amazing. I'm going to probably use this as my night lamp, plus everything. And now let's just play any videos, and let's see if it forwards the videos and pauses it. Here we go. Wait a minute, let me just play this really quick. Alright, I'm placing another video. And now I'm going to place another video. Really, it works. Really, it works. And now I'm going to try to pause it. Oh, it's paused. Wow. And now I'm going to unpause this and go back to my last video. Ooh, what is this new thing? Oh my god, this is such an amazing product. So personally guys, I love this product and I personally wanted you all guys to buy this. This looks amazing on camera, plus personally I love this product. Like, I can't express, but I love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to TECHDISPLAY and be a part of a family that really means a lot to us. TECHDISPLAY is coming with some new content and also new gadgets. Till then, bye!